omuvugizi owa SBC Uganda agira ngu omuntu owahirwe empatane ey'okukora aha Kishayi eky'Akabalega International Airport mu district ya Hoima hati yaherize kukora amataara agari aha buringwa obwa kilometers 3 n'ekicweka kiri kwereka ngu ekishayi eki obwa hati kiriyo nikigirira kwa ekiri kwija kuyambaho ahantunguka ey'okubasa kuhwera omukutwara amajuta agari kukorerwa omu kyanga eki. Nagira ngu obwa hati okukyebera amataara nibakozesa generator abokushanga ngu ekishayi tikine mashanyarazi agari kwemalirira.
Switched on lights. Yes, we have not accessed power yet, but we have used generators and we have tested the lights on the runway. You can see right from kilometer 1 up to kilometer 5, you will see the lights, and different colors of different lights mean different signals. All this lighting system will be connected to the air traffic control tower, and the moment the controller switches on a certain light, then the pilot will know what to do or where or which direction to take. So today we have tested the lights. They are all okay. And
muri isa nayongera agira ngu obwa hati ebi nibija kuba nikikozesibwa omukureba ngu babasa kwakira ebintu ebirabe nibiretwa enyonyi zitari zimwe na zimwe.
Purposes of procuring accessories like the CCTV cameras, like the fiber cable that will be connecting to the air traffic control tower. But the issues of construction are done. We are only now going, procurement. These are the things that you don't go and find in the shelf. No, you have to order for it, and it is manufactured and shipped here in Uganda. So it has to take some time. This is the extension we are talking about. But the runway is fully complete. You can see the lights and even can host any flight as we talk.
Kishayi eki kikaba kigenderire kwaho kandi kikiguraho omwaka ogw'2022 ngukonka okucheza kwayongezebwayo mpaka kwa kabiri 2024 abokushanga ngu obwa hati hine byabene byetengesa bari kugira ngo obwa hati ebiceka cyane na munana harigana byaherize kukoraho. Nayongera hagira ngo bakaganiraho n'aba Uganda National Roads Authority okugira ngo base kubakorera orukuto orwa kilometers 4 orukwika aha Kishayi rugenderire okubasa kubayambaho wito bwa hati orubare nibakozesa norwe orukurete bintu ebyo kukozesibwa.
This is part of the navigation aids that we have been connecting throughout November and December.
Bagira ngo wakwasire omurimo narish contractor hashabire sente kandi minister webya sente Matia Kasayija akaraganiza kuija kuhereza sente ezi omukwezi kwa kabiri 2024.
Okay. That is the only thing that is on our side. But what is within our capacity as a contractor, as you can see, we have made 100% utilization. The entire available budget we have finished it, and we ensured that the progress is matching well within the planned activities, within the capacity of what we have.
Right. Okay. Come by, let me see. We shall release money in January after the 10th.
Wonderful, sir. But before that, if the confirmation comes as a letter, even we're not talking about the release of money itself. Just that the confirmation.
Just confirm.
Just to confirm that the allocation is there, and then we can. That's the by the general condition of contract. We just need some assurance.
You're sending me a text.
Sure. Maybe a letter or.
Kishayi eki nikija kuba nikikozesibwa omukwakira ahamwe n'okutwara ebintu bitari bimwe na bimwe ebirabe nibikozesibwa aha myanya eriho amajuta omukyanga ekyabunyoro kandi ekishayi eki ahantunguka ey'Akabalega Industrial Park eri kushangwa oburingwa bwa kilometers 2 okuruga Kishayi. Amakuru aga gashakwa gadasaba